Hi guys, my name is Omer and you're watching Omer's workshop. Today I'm going to unbox and review this 2-in-1 vacuum cleaner. It is portable mini home and car dust collection and lightning. So it comes in two colors, black and white one. So we have to open it. So this is look like this, and it comes with a pipe and a brush like this, and this one can be reattached like this, and there is a filter which can be cleaned after use. We have to put it back like this, and this is simply a motor inside, a battery and charging port, and one button, so it will work like this. And on the manual we can see all the instructions. So let's check it. So I have two things over here. One is dust and one is big debris. So we are going to use this and check it if it is working. So it have collected all the paper inside, and we can clean it like that. So it can be used in a home or in your car. It is good for the car because it is handheld and there is no plug, but you have to charge it for like 4 or 5 hours, then it will work for 30 minutes continuously. So now it's time to check for the dust. We can also attach this for the hard to reach surfaces and then use it, but over here we can directly use it. And all the dust is inside this container. It is very useful if it is using in a small and hard to reach surfaces. So now let's charge it and see how it gives indication. The charging indication is shown from the port. It is showing red light, and I think when it's fully charged it will show blue color or something like that. So it is charging right now, but you cannot use directly from when it's charging, so we have to take it out and then use it. On the inside there is a motor which is turning the fan very fast, and there is a 3.7 volt lithium battery inside, so it is working really good. We can also check the throw from the back side as well. It is really compact and useful gadget for a home and car use. Anywhere can be used for collecting the dust. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.